Today I will show how to buy shares of Omega Healthcare Investors, Inc., a REIT focused on skilled nursing and assisted living properties. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OHI, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To make the purchase, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After you register, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OHI to find Omega Healthcare Investors, Inc. Then select the matching NASDAQ listing from the search results to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and the price chart to review recent performance. Double-check the company name and the NASDAQ OHI ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes, depending on platform settings. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade is executed, the OHI position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.